Welcome back. In the previous video, we have completed the patch to do functionality for our application, and all the CURD operation implementation is completed. Now we will be displaying the notification to the user when the to do is created successfully or else updated successfully, or if it is deleted successfully. So this snack bar we are going to implement. This snack bar name is given by the Angular material, so we will be using this snack bar from the Angular material. And this we have already defined the function open snack bar when we worked on the template mockup for the project. So we already defined this function. Only the thing is we need to give here parameter message, and when we will create, so we will pass the message created, and when we will update, so we will pass the message updated. Similarly, we will pass the message delete. Now if you will see, we are calling this open snack bar with message delete. This is the constant. So we have to create one file, client.data.ts file, or whatever the name you want to give. Let's write the code. Implementation for the snack bar is completed. Let's see if it is working fine or not. Yes, we can see it, snack bar is displaying fine, and after some second it will hide. So that setting also there in this function. After 2 seconds it will hide automatically.